This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Dana Line. Welcome to this Winter Park split floorplan beauty. The home, located near the Winter Park Pines Golf Club with tree-lined streets, has so much character. Walking up to home, you will notice the solid wood, carved front door. Upon entering, you can go straight into the family room/kitchen combo or right to enter the living room. The living room has tons of natural light and wood floors. It leads to the formal dining room, conveniently adjacent to the kitchen but also offsetting the primary bedroom for lots of privacy. The primary bedroom is oversized with windows facing the rear of the home. There are 2 walk-in closets and a completely remodeled bathroom featuring dual wood vanities, linen storage, and a shower. The kitchen and family room are open to each other, allowing for various position of furniture and use of the rooms. The kitchen was fully renovated in the last few years with all stainless steel appliances, a gas range, granite countertops, whitewood cabinets with roll-out drawers, recessed lighting, and pendant lighting accenting the breakfast bar. The family room has French doors that lead to the fully fenced-in backyard, which is perfect for entertaining with a deck and pergola. There are 3 nice-sized bedrooms with wood floors and ceiling fans towards the rear of the home. A full bath has been remodeled with dual sinks, decorative tile, bathtub/shower combination and a door leading to the backyard. Check out the floor plan and MATTERPORT 3D walkthrough to see just how this home is flexible and functional. The laundry room is oversized and conveniently located off the family room leading to the 2-car garage. There are many upgraded features in this home such as many newer windows, lighting, all tile or wood laminate flooring, and interior paint. Roof, 2011, Re-plumbed 2017, HVAC 2002. Centrally located to Cady Way Park community pool, tennis courts, park, bike and walking trails, hospitals, restaurants, and major roadways and attractions. For more information, review the details below.